What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's Mike. First and foremost, Happy New Year, and let's get into this video. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to extend any background using the Marquee Tool and Photoshop. Now, on to the video. So first and foremost, let's extend our background. So how I'm going to do this is I'm going to use my crop tool to just make the actual picture like a little bit bigger, as you see. Next, I'm gonna go to the left hand side panel and click on the marquee tool, which is right under the move tool. Now, once you select the background, just press Ctrl T to transform that selection, and let's expand it all the way to the left, right? You just saw me do right now. Now, once you already extended that background to go all the way over, let's use either the clone stamp tool or the healing brush tool to blend in the new extended background with the old one, so everything could look nice and seamless. And once you're done doing that, that's it, and everything looks nice and clean. Just add some text on the left hand side or on the photo, and that's it. So there you guys have it. How do you use the marquee tool to extend the background and Photoshop? It's quick and easy, and it's best to do it with with just a plain colored background. Until next time, peace.